Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to prepare drumstick leaf koottu, that's a Murungaikkeerai koottu, for which we will need the following ingredients to serve approximately 2 to 4 people. 400 grams of drumstick leaves cleaned and the leaves taken out separately. 3 small onions, 1 teaspoon of rice, 1/3 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, that is jeera, and 3 to 4 whole red chilies according to the size and according to the spice level required. 1.5 tablespoon of grated coconut. First, in a pan I am going to dry roast the onion first. I have heated the pan. I am not adding any oil and I am just adding the onions which I have peeled and cut it into medium sized pieces, and saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes until all the moisture is absorbed and becomes dry and it turns golden in color, and then add the whole red chilies and again saute it for another minute and immediately add the 1 teaspoon of rice, and I am going to fry all these ingredients only in low to medium flame, and again fry this for a minute until the rice turns golden in color like this, light golden brown in color, and finally add the 1/3 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and just saute it for another half a minute. That should be enough, and allow these ingredients to cool down. After it's cooled down, I am going to separate the onions and keep it aside and take the remaining ingredients in a mixer or blender, the whole red chilies, the rice and the cumin seeds or the jeera seeds, and I'm going to grind it into a coarse powder first. Once this is ready, I'm going to add the separated onion, that's the fried onion, and also the 1.5 tablespoon of grated coconut, and again grind it all together into a fine powder. The reason I am adding the onions and coconut later is if you add it all together and grind it, you will not get a fine texture. The onions will not allow the rice and cumin seeds to get grinded properly. That's the reason. So next, in the same pan I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and when it is hot I'm going to add 1 small onion cut into very small pieces. This is 1 onion apart from the 3 onions which we have used for frying, and once it turns golden color, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and when it starts sputtering well, add the drumstick leaves which we have already kept ready, and I'm going to saute this for about 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Also, I'm going to sprinkle a handful of water initially so that the leaves does not become very dry and it's ease in the process of sauteing. So as I already said, 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. We are going to saute this until the light green color of these leaves turn really dark green in color. So that's the time when we can confirm that the leaves are really cooked well. So after about 6 to 7 minutes, you can see the leaves have shrunk well and the color has really changed. It's completely cooked. Finally, add the prepared mixture, the masala mixture. Give it a good mix. Also add the required amount of salt to this. You'll need very little amount of salt, so be careful while adding the salt. And once you add the salt, it's almost ready. Give it a good mix finally, and you can serve it right away. It goes really well with sambar rice or parpu rice, dal rice, and also you can mix it with white rice and it really tastes good. So as I already said, this drumstick leaves are very hard, so it will take more time to get cooked. So keep on sauteing it, and the change in color from light green to dark green is a good indication that it is properly cooked. Try it and you will really like it. This is a very healthy recipe. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.